Oh, okay. The FBM.
Oh.
FBM V3 guillotine or guillotine or however you pronounce it bike.
Check.
Ooh, in green. They had it in black and blue, but I didn't. Well, they didn't have it at the store I went to. Yeah. And that's my bike check. I'm just kidding, no. And then, okay, so everything on this bike is stock except for the ODI grips and the pegs that I don't know what they are. And yeah. Oh, okay, so first we have the bars that came with it. And like a lot of stock bars, they're like, you know, like the 7.5 or 7.70, I don't know. And then yeah, and then the nice fork, I think it's the nice one. I think that's the name of the brand. Oh yeah, and then the nice happy rims. See right there, it says nice happy. Because that's the name of it. The brand name is nice. And then yeah, and then we have these green valve cap things that are from like the slime tube. And yeah, and then we have a 20 by 2.2 tire. With a lot of grip. It's pretty grippy.
Yeah, better than mine.
Grip. Alright, anyways. Okay. And then we have the FBM V3 guillotine or guillotine frame.
What about the stem? And the handle?
Well, the nice stem right here. That nice stem. It's so nice. And then we have the ODI long neck grips. And then, like I was saying, the frame. FBM.
Wait, the barns?
They're ODI barns. Okay. The FBM V3.
It's like a snake.
Yeah, it does, sort of. And yeah, and it's sort of dirty right there. And it says FBM right here. Look up. And then it's like reinforced, sort of. It has like a little metal thing there. And yet it has it on the bottom too.
Here.
And then we have the nice cranks.
These are sick.
Yep. Yeah, they're nice cranks. With the pedals that come with it, they're like nice platform pedals or something. They're like really small. I don't think they're platform pedals, but yeah, they come with the bike, and I didn't feel like getting new ones. Anyways, we have also the the chain. The chain. It's a, what is it? It's like KMZ or KMC or something chain. Yeah, it's sexy. Ooh, and then it has the 25 tooth sprocket. Yep. 25 tooth sprocket, and then the
in green?
Yes, in green. And my cranks are in black.
What kind of cranks are these?
They are nice cranks.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice cranks.
Yeah. All the components are mostly nice.
Nice.
That's the name of the brand. It's just not. It's not my opinion. And anyways, then we also have the 9-tooth drive.
It's 9?
Yeah, it's 9.
That was 8.
Nope, it's 9.
Oh.
And yeah, and then we have the 20 by 2.0 back tire, just like the front, except the tread is like smaller. And then the nice hub with the other green valve cap thing for the slime tubes, and then the spokes, the black spokes, and the silver nipples.
Silver.
Nipples. Anyways, and nice happy rims. It says right there again.
Where is it? Happy.
And yeah, I don't ride brakes either. Ooh, and then it has the stock seat.
Oh yeah.
Stock seat. It's pretty nice. And then the seat post and the seat clip. Can't really see the seat post because it's more in the bike. Right there. And then, yeah, beastness.
Yep. FBM.
Think this
Guillotine.
Guillotine, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sexy. Ooh, should I do hub sound?
Oh yeah.
For a stock hub?
But we don't do hub sound for my bike, but we do hub sound for yours. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Whatever. Okay, go.
Or did I get my bike first?
Yeah, you did. No, you didn't. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
And then, look. The hub sound. And this is for a stock hub. Yeah.
Why don't you just listen to that?
Not loud, but
Still good. How come it looks cooler on TV? I mean, screen. Like the spokes are all like,
and yeah.
yeah.
Oh, I also landed my first 3-tap today.
Yeah, it was pretty beast.
And that's my bike check.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll
So-
be posting more videos soon because it's winter break over here.
Yep, winter break.
Right there, right there.
Alright, click the ads. Make sure clicking ads is gonna fall. Ooh. Okay, well, yeah.
Anyways.
Cyclone, BMX. Stay tuned. Peace.